Alright, ladies and gents, it is now the time, I guess. It is now like 6:45. Seems to be getting a little weird. As you can see, there are thunderstorms being... I think there's thunderstorms. I'm not that sure what's going on out there. But definitely the evacuation has been set. So if you live in the Rockaways, if you live in Staten Island, City Island, Long Island, Fire Island, yeah, seek shelter. It seems that within 30 minutes or so, they're going to shut down mass transit. That includes buses. Well, buses at 9 o'clock, but subways and all that stuff is being shut down as we speak. Yeah, I don't know. Seems kind of weird. Planes are still flying. You know, it looks pretty weird. Weird to me. Yeah, but as you can hear, there's like high winds. It's blowing this way. And it's getting pretty cold. I'm getting cold myself at this moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is to be expected. Within a couple of hours, I guess I should be outside recording this live. So if anything, stay tuned. If anything, go to my Google Sites, and you should be able to get all the details that you need. Especially me being roughed up by rain and water and all that wind stuff. Alright, so good luck to everybody out there. Stay safe. Be indoors if you can't. Seek shelter.